name is Jarvid Pirangi, class 7B. My topic is story on Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was born on October 15, 1931. His life was full of struggles and hard work, and he was the third president of our India from 2002 to 2007. Also to have been honored with Bharat Ratna for contributing to the scientific researchers and defense technology. Remembering the life works of Abdul Kalam, he was a great scientist, engineer, professor, author, president, and good human being. My best inspirational word from Abdul Kalam is success is when your signature turns into your autograph. And to the Missile Man of India, we pay him our respectful tribute. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Ritika Mishra from class 7B. Today I am going to tell a story based on Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. During hectic project, a worker asked Dr. Kalam that he could take a leave at 5:30 p.m. because he wanted to take his children to the exhibition. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam gave him the permission. When he was busy with his work, he realized that it was 8:30 p.m. Then he felt guilty that he couldn't take his children to the exhibition. Then he gone to the boss office and he found that the boss was not in there. Then he went back to his home and then he found that kids was also not there at the home. He asked his wife, "Where are the kids?" She replied that you don't know that your boss came at 5:15 p.m. and took the children to the exhibition. So actually what happened, when Dr. Kalam noticed that the worker was busy with his work and wouldn't leave his work at 5:30 p.m. but he had promised his children that he would take him to the exhibition. So he took the lead and took the children to the exhibition. So moral of the story is, be like APJ Abdul Kalam. Thank you.
Good morning friends, my name is Muskan Singh. I am from 7th standard. I tell a short story on APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam was born on 15 October 1971. APJ Abdul Kalam was the 11th president of the India, having born in a humble family. APJ Abdul Kalam sold newspaper to make and meet. He a real source of people inspiration for people to born in background area with humble beginning. APJ Abdul Kalam is one of the best example to richest stories and when we say the richness, it means the richness of knowledge. Thank you.
My name is Prisha Sinha and I am from 7th B. Today I am going to tell a short story of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir was born in a small village called Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was from a poor family. To help his family, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam distributed the newspapers after the school. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir's hard work helped him to reach the best colleges in the India. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam studied science for 4 years. His hard work helped him to make a scientist. He created many missiles and came to be known as the Missile Man of India. After the become a scientist, he became a president of India from 2002 to 2007. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir was a grateful man for India. Thank you.
Good morning, respected teacher, respected principal ma'am. I am Ronak Shripati Pawar from class 7th A. Today I am going to tell the short story on APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam was born in 15 October 1931 in Tamil Nadu in the small village Rameshwaram. He was graduated from St. Joseph College in Tiruchirappalli in 1954, but he was not satisfied with his degree. He left to the Madras later next year for studying the aerospace engineering at Madras Institute of Technology. He was the great scientist and politician who played a leading role in development of India's missiles and nuclear weapon program. He was also called as the Missile Man. He was the 11th President of the India in the term from 2002 to 2007. Thank you.
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, father of India Miss program. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is the 11th President of India. His full name is A.V. Fakir Jonibed Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam is the best president. Is Indian story. TIL tell they teach is best Kanun as the Miss.
everyone. My name is Arya Amol Jadhav from class 7th A, and very good morning to respected principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. Today is October 15, a very special day of our Indian history. On this day in the year 1931, that Dr. Abdul Kalam, the great man who made India a missile and nuclear power, born in Rameshwaram. This day is also known as World Students Day, and he contributed the world of science and humanity. His full name was Abul Pakir Jainuluddin Abdul Kalam. His personal life was full of struggles. He played multifarious role of scientist, president, politician, author, teacher, educator, engineer, and a good woman being. He was 11th president of India from 2002 to 2007, and he was honored with a Bharat Ratna on birth anniversary of his great son of India. We pay him a respective tribute. Wishing you a very happy birthday, sir. Thank you.
Good morning, dear principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. So today I am going to share a story based on Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So let us begin with our story. My story topic is: when a teammate President Kalam at DRDO couldn't take his children to the exhibition, what happened and what now we will later discover in the story. During a science program, the workload was too high that one of the 70 scientists asked Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam that he could leave at 5:30 p.m. as he has promised his children to take to the exhibition. However, the president granted the permission. However, the scientist got busy with his work and to realize that it was 8:30 p.m. When he was looking for his boss, he wasn't there. Guilty for disappointing his kids, he went back to his home only to find weren't the kids were at home. As he couldn't see his kids, he asked his wife, "Where were the kids?" So the wife answered, "You don't know? Your manager come here at 5:15 and took them to the exhibition." Dr. Kalam had been observing the scientist, and he realized that he was too busy with his work that he couldn't take the children to the exhibition. So Dr. Kalam decided to take the kids to the exhibition. So this was the incident between Dr. Kalam, kids and the scientist. Thank you for seeing my video.